We're going across the bridge and we don't want to fall in. Walk across the bridge. Tiptoe across the bridge. Sidestep across the bridge. Backwards across the bridge. Heel to toe across the bridge. Let me give you some little teaching tips to get the most out of playing this game. Now, you can use any line in your classroom or outdoors on your PE court. You can draw a line on the floor. You can use tape like you see here, or I use some fabric and I just put a piece of wood on the floor to simulate water and a bridge. But the most important thing that you need to do is engage the kids' imagination. You need to set this activity up and say, hey, we're going on an adventure and we have to walk across a bridge. And in the water, there are sharks, or maybe there's crocodiles. And so you've got to walk carefully across the bridge so you don't fall in. No one wants to fall in. Or you could do lava. You know, you're walking across a bridge over a volcano and there's hot lava all around and you don't want to fall in. So you want to set it up that they're going on an adventure across a bridge and use their imagination. And then you'll say, we're going to have to walk across this bridge 5 ways. The first way we're going to walk across the bridge is walking. Now, who wants to demonstrate how to walk across the bridge carefully? And then you get a kid to come up and walk across the bridge, give them a clap, well done. Who wants to demonstrate how to tiptoe across the bridge? And then you get a kid to demonstrate how to tiptoe across the bridge.
Oh, that's perfect.
Right, very good.
That's good. Tiptoe. Very good.
And you basically get kids up just showing an example, and then you can do a bit of teaching. You know, what's the heel-toe movement? And then they'll do it right when you start the activity. The other thing is, in simple management, in the line, is you want to have the kids lined up at one end. They grow across the bridge, but you want to set a chair a little bit further away, so the kids have to go from the end of the line and they have to go around the chair to come back to the beginning. So they're not going like this and they're knocking kids off as the kids are coming across and not running back to get to the end of the line across their path. So just set up a little chair that they have to go around. So that'll help with the management of it. And then when they start the music, they have to listen to how they're supposed to walk across the bridge. And there's a little whistle there to help them listen what comes next. Now with this activity, you can use it as an object lesson on a topic or relate it to something that you're studying. One way that you can relate it is a path, a straight path. You want to walk the straight path. You don't want to get sidetracked and lose your balance and, you know, forget where you're going in your goal. Or you might use it in a Sunday school setting if you're sharing the gospel about Jesus being the way to God. We often have a little diagram about the cross and how the cross and Jesus' death and resurrection is the way that we have the bridge to God. So that's another way you can use it, just as a follow-up to your lesson. I also have a whole playlist of musical games that you can use for your lesson, so be sure and check that out. And thanks for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to. And we'll see you next time. Okay? Bye.